Who has the new Shopkins Pez dispenser? Who has the new Star Wars Pez dispenser? Who has the newest Kermit the Frog Pez dispenser? Josh does. And they're all errors. These are really cool. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. This is an answer to a question. Hey Josh, what kind of Pez errors are there that I can look out for? Well, here are some of them. Upside down candy. They should not allow this. All candy should be right side up, as you see here. Look at that, the newer candy packs. I like that, kind of with the European style. Here's another error. It's backwards. They're supposed to be looking at us. Oh, wait a minute. Same error. Although this one I can completely understand. Whoever's checking these would completely miss this. Hence the reason why I have two of them. Yeah, I have two of them. So, then we see here is a miscarded item. A Muppet on a Disney. What do you think about that, Mater? Huh? Huh? I don't think he likes it. He doesn't look like he likes it. Look at that, though. Grape Pez candy. Yes. So there you go. Those are your different errors you can find. Something that's backwards on a card, miscarded, or with the upside down candy. If you know any others, please let me know. I'm definitely interested in that. So until next time, such cool candy.